All right, you guys. So remember, what we've been talking about is science is where?
Everywhere.
Exactly. Science is everywhere. So what we're going to do next is, this is an experiment you guys can totally do, like, now. If your parents and teachers say it's cool, you can do it back when you get back to the classroom. All you need with this is a piece of paper and air. Chances are you've got both of those things. Oh, and a pair of lips and lungs come in handy too. But if you've got those four things, you're good to go. All right, so what you need is a piece of paper. First thing you want to do is take a piece of paper and cut it or rip it in half. So I would just kind of rip it in half like so. All right, now, the next thing you're going to do is take this handy dandy two pieces of paper. You're going to dangle them ever so gingerly from your fingertips, and you're going to blow down between them. But before we do it, we need to make a guess. So kids, what's going to happen if I blow down these two pieces of paper? What's going to happen?
Well, let's take a vote. What do you guys think? Will the pieces of paper go apart, together, or just stay still? Well, again, take a vote.
All right, sounds like they took the vote. You ready?
Yep.
All right, let's give it a shot. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to hold these two pieces of paper down like this so they're parallel to one another, juxtaposed in position, if you will, and I'm going to blow between the two pieces of paper. Are you ready?
Sure
I'm
enough.
going to count off.
1, 2, 3.
Did you see what happened?
They went together.
They come together. Is that the weirdest thing ever?
Yep, that can be explained by physics.
Exactly right. It is totally physics. When I was a kid and somebody first asked me this question, I was like, dude, it's going to go out. Duh. And then I tried it and I was like, ugh, what is that all about? Well, it's totally a concept called Bernoulli's principle. Can you say Bernoulli?
Bernoulli.
That's very good, Chase. I don't know, Bernoulli totally sounds like a pasta or something you'd eat for dinner.
Yeah.
But it really is, it's really this cool principle. Okay, well, let me show you one more. This one's a little trickier to do, but if you can pull this off, it's neat. So, you put it on your lower lip, right, like this, and then you blow across it. And the paper actually comes up to meet my breath. Notice I'm not blowing under the paper, I'm blowing over the paper, and it still comes up. So what in the world is going on? How does that work?
Well, the faster air moves, the less force it can exert. Basically, what this means is that the faster it's moving, the less it can do. So the air under it basically isn't moving at all. Therefore, it can exert more force than the air above it. Yes, exactly.
Science by mime.